The thing with joint pain, we have a few different reasons for that. Joint pain, of course, can have pain from inflammation from sugar. However, meron ding architectural na uri ng joint pain. And ito na nga yung ating osteoarthritis. Usually occurs in older people, of course, right? Osteoarthritis is, ang problema dyan ay yung pinaka-architecture na niya. So, although makakatulong ang paglo-low carb, ang issue po talaga dyan is the joint disease. So, kailangan po yung ipasuri. May mga kaso na nangangailangan na ng surgery. It depends on the severity. Hindi naman po 100% magic pill ang low carb. Nakakatulong siya na malaki sa mga lifestyle-related conditions. Pero hindi naman kasi lahat ng sakit ay lifestyle-related conditions. So if something is not resolving at medyo may katagalan na rin ka naglo-low carb, it means magpatingin na po sa doktor at iba na po yan. You have to find the right diagnosis for that and the proper treatment.